How to fix app not opening after install. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix an app not opening after installation. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to fix an app not opening after install, you'll need to do some initial checks and restarts. So first, do a simple restart. You can press on the volume up and the power button together. You'll find the restart button. Now, a simple reboot clears your memory and fixes temporary glitches. So restart your device and after that, check for your internet. So swipe down and go to your quick settings. You'll find your Wi-Fi settings there. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Then we'll locate our settings app, open it up. On our settings, we'll search for storage, then head over there to verify if we have enough storage space or not. So verify that you have enough space for the app to run properly. And after you've done that, that's basically your checks and restarts. After that, for app specific fixes, you'll need to force stop. So go to your settings again, find apps, then find the app that is not opening after you've installed it. So let's say my Messenger is not opening, so I'll open up my Messenger from here. Then I'll tap on the force stop button to force stop the app. After that, in the same app info section, go to storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. After you've cleared the cache, then tap on clear data or clear storage. This will remove your login info, so you might have to log back in again. After you've done that, you can then locate your app store. Then search for the app that, let's say it's Messenger here. Then look for updates. If there are any updates available, update the app. And doing that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.